Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2004 Suzuki GSX-R750. This is the old body style, but it still has the inline 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel injection. This bike is in awesome condition, beautiful, yellow metallic and black. It's also equipped with some nice extras, including the frame sliders, a great sounding Yoshimura exhaust, fender eliminator kit, integrated turn signals in the tail ends, and the flush mounts up front. And I also have the seat cowl, the yellow seat cowl. So if you want to go solo, you can take that seat off. Let me fire it up for you so you can see how beautiful it sounds. This bike is only $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports, just a little over 15,500 miles. 2004 Suzuki GSX-R750, beautiful condition, tires are in fantastic shape. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing available, extended service contracts. 2004 GSX-R750. Only $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.